Okay, let's start web browser, and there is a place where you get Visual Studio Code, and then for Windows download, and after download we run that executes. Okay, it's getting started. Then accept agreement, and you can read that text. Next. Okay, and you can change your location for your developer tool, and keep that name also. Don't change it. Create icon for desktop, and then I wanna add open with code to the file context menu, and register code path also. Now it's ready, and then finish. And maximize that window. I close that welcome tab, and new file. This is only for testing that everything will work. So I create C# plus my class, and there is only one field, public int count, get and set, nothing else. So it doesn't matter what you put there, it's only for testing. And then we are going to save as .cs. So now you know it's working, and then install recommended things. So I installed that OmniSharp, and also I keep dark theme. There we go. What else? Oh, Unity debugger, and we are installing that also. Oh, I'm missing .NET Core software development kit. So let's download and open that. Install for Windows. And now it's downloading, and then we are running that. Okay. Click. And install. Now it's installing. So there we go. Almost there. It's done, and then we close that. Okay. Anything else? Maybe not. So there you can uninstall things if you want. So I close these tabs. Okay, and let's get Unity Hub open. It's opening, that's quite slow. Okay, and I'm going to create new projects. I keep that 3D template selected, and this is getting ready to use VS Code, and then I click create. Okay. Now it's opening Unity. This is very slowly thing. So you have to remember take toggle off, so don't get update checks. That's why there is something slowliness going on. So that window there is a little tiny toggle, so take that off. Then we are creating new folder, and it's scripts. It's under assets. Always I do that. There we have it, skins and scripts. And then I create empty game object, and I add new components, new scripts. My script, it's only for example, and then I'm going to put that inside that folder. There we go, and there we have an open Caesar project. Oh, wrong thing there. So let's hope everything is. Can I cancel that? Yes, there we go. So I closed that. So I'm going to edit menu and then preferences there. So there you can change your editor. Anything else? No. There it's ready. So I close that. And then I'm clicking 2 times that script. And yes, this is right program. So I take these start and update methods off, and then it's compiling, and there is no start or update, so it's working. And then save skin.